Hey everyone, Linus here. Today I'm diving into Netflix's latest thriller Zero Day, starring Robert Dinero. The series is about a massive, coordinated cyber attack exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities across multiple platforms at once: iOS, Android, Windows, and even SCADA systems. But the big question is, could something like this actually happen in real life? First off, what exactly is a zero-day vulnerability? It's a software flaw unknown to the vendor, giving them 0 days to fix it before it's exploited. These vulnerabilities can be gold mines for hackers, whether they're after financial gain or political leverage. The idea of a coordinated attack exploiting multiple zero-day vulnerabilities at the same time is terrifying, but let's break it down. In the series, the attack hits everything from smartphones to critical infrastructure. While zero-day exploits are real, Apple, for instance, patched one in iOS March 1st, 18 not too long ago. Pulling off a simultaneous attack on this scale is highly unlikely. Why? Because exploiting different systems like iOS, Android, Windows, and SCADA simultaneously requires an immense amount of resources and expertise. These systems have varying complexities, making it nearly impossible to coordinate such an attack. Sure, nation-state actors might have the skills and resources, but even they would find it incredibly challenging. Let's talk about motivation. Hackers, be they criminals or state-sponsored, use zero-day exploits for various reasons: financial gain, espionage, or causing chaos. In Zero Day, the series suggests nation-state involvement, potentially from Russia, to create widespread havoc. While dramatic and thrilling, it's not something we see as a viable threat in the real world. Now, how do we defend against such threats? Cybersecurity experts work tirelessly to patch vulnerabilities and develop fail-safe systems. Critical infrastructure like banks, hospitals, and government agencies have backup systems to mitigate risks. So, while a cyber attack could cause significant disruptions, a complete wipe-off-grid scenario as depicted in the series is extremely unlikely. Let's not forget, Zero Day is a fictionalized thriller meant to entertain and engage. It's a fun watch, but it's important to keep in mind the distinction between Hollywood drama and real-world cybersecurity. So, could a zero-day cyber attack happen in real life? Technically possible, but highly improbable on the scale shown in the series. That said, it's a good reminder for us all to stay vigilant and keep our systems updated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.